16 jobs that will thrive in the future despite AI and automation. While AI and automation are expected to have a significant impact on the job market, there are several types of jobs that are likely to thrive in the future because they require uniquely human skills and abilities that are difficult for machines to replicate. Welcome to Penny Investors, where future millionaires come to get inspired. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, and turn on the notifications, so that you don't miss out on any new videos. This video will take you on an exploration of the latest advancements, the brightest minds, and the exciting trends shaping our future. We will be looking at 16 jobs that will thrive in the future despite AI and automation. So without any further delays, let's jump right in. Number 1. Raw materials management, also known as materials and supply chain management, plays a critical role in ensuring the efficient flow of materials and resources throughout various industries. While automation and AI can enhance aspects of this field, there are still essential human roles and skills required that make it a viable career option in the future. Professionals who design and optimize supply chain networks, taking into account various factors like cost efficiency, risk management, and sustainability. They need to make strategic decisions that require human judgment and market knowledge. Number 2. Artificial body part manufacturing and design. The field of artificial body part manufacturing and design, often referred to as biomedical engineering or prosthetics and orthotics, is poised for significant growth and innovation in the coming years. Designing artificial body parts, such as prosthetic limbs or medical implants, often involves addressing complex, unique challenges. Engineers and designers need to consider factors like biomechanics, materials science, and patient-specific requirements, making it a highly specialized field that requires human expertise. Number 3. Esports. Esports has gained immense popularity globally, with millions of fans and players participating in tournaments, watching live streams, and attending events. This popularity is expected to continue to grow, attracting more sponsors, investors, and opportunities. Esports athletes, or professional gamers, can earn substantial incomes through tournament winnings, sponsorships, and streaming revenue. Top players are now considered celebrities in the gaming world. Number 4. Gene designer for babies and pets. The concept of gene designing for babies and pets, often referred to as genetic engineering or genetic modification, is a topic that raises complex ethical, legal, and scientific questions. While there has been significant progress in genetic research and technologies, the idea of designing babies or pets with specific genetic traits or characteristics remains highly controversial and subject to rigorous regulations in many countries. Number 5. Virtual world designer. VR and AR technologies are advancing at an impressive rate. This creates a demand for skilled designers who can harness these technologies to create immersive and interactive virtual worlds. The gaming and entertainment industries heavily rely on virtual world designers to create engaging, visually stunning, and interactive virtual environments. As these industries grow, so does the demand for creative designers. Number 6. Entertainment. Despite changes brought about by technology and shifting consumer preferences, the entertainment industry is expected to thrive in the future for several reasons. Live entertainment, including concerts, sports events, theater performances, and conventions, continues to be a major draw for audiences. Live experiences offer unique opportunities for connection and engagement. Number 7. Real estate developer. Real estate development is a field that involves acquiring, financing, designing, and overseeing the construction or renovation of properties. As global populations continue to increase, the demand for housing and commercial spaces remains high. Real estate developers are essential in addressing these housing needs. Number 8. Biochemistry and tech engineers. Both biochemistry and tech engineering are fields with strong prospects for the future due to their relevance in various industries and their roles in addressing complex challenges. Tech engineers are at the forefront of AI and machine learning, creating algorithms and applications that drive automation, predictive analytics, and decision-making. Number 9. Mental health professionals. One of the fundamental aspects of mental health professionals' work is their ability to understand, empathize with, and provide emotional support to individuals dealing with psychological challenges. While AI can process vast amounts of data, it struggles to replicate genuine human empathy and emotional intelligence. People seeking help often need a human touch, someone who can listen, understand, and offer personalized guidance. Number 10. Healthcare professionals. Healthcare often involves intricate and nuanced decision-making. Doctors, in particular, must consider a patient's medical history, symptoms, and personal circumstances when diagnosing conditions or recommending treatments. While AI can assist in data analysis and provide recommendations, human judgment and expertise are essential for making complex clinical decisions. Healthcare professionals, especially nurses and caregivers, provide emotional support and human connection to patients. Number 11. Educators. While AI can provide personalized recommendations and adaptive learning materials, educators offer a unique human touch. They can tailor instruction to individual student needs, adapt to different learning styles, and provide one-on-one support, creating a more holistic and personalized learning experience. Educators are essential in fostering students' social and emotional development. Number 12. Human resources. While AI can assist in sourcing and screening candidates, HR professionals provide the human touch in the recruitment process. HR professionals ensure a positive candidate experience throughout the recruitment process. They communicate with candidates, provide feedback, and address concerns, creating a favorable impression of the company. Number 13. Elderly care. One of the most crucial aspects of elderly care is providing companionship and emotional support. Human caregivers offer social interaction, empathy, and genuine companionship, which are vital for the mental and emotional well-being of elderly individuals. AI and robots cannot replicate the warmth of human interaction. Number 14. Legal professionals. Legal cases often involve intricate and nuanced legal principles, precedents, and statutes. Legal professionals possess the expertise to interpret and apply these complex laws, considering the specific facts and context of each case. While AI can assist with legal research and data analysis, it lacks the ability to fully understand the subtleties of legal arguments. Number 15. Culinary arts. While automation and AI can assist in various kitchen tasks, such as food preparation, inventory management, and recipe suggestions, the artistry, creativity, cultural knowledge, and sensory expertise of culinary professionals are irreplaceable. As long as people continue to seek unique and delightful dining experiences, the culinary arts will remain a vibrant and indispensable field. Number 16. Personal trainers and coaches. While AI and fitness apps can provide valuable resources and tracking tools, personal trainers and coaches offer a holistic and human-centered approach to fitness and well-being. Their expertise, interpersonal skills, and ability to provide individualized support are elements that AI and automation cannot fully replace. As long as individuals seek customized and motivating fitness experiences, personal trainers and coaches will remain integral to the wellness industry. That's it. Those are the 16 jobs that will thrive in the future despite AI and automation. So, whether you're an artist, a scientist, a caregiver, a teacher, a legal expert, a chef, a fitness enthusiast, or pursuing any other passion, remember that your unique human touch is irreplaceable. Embrace the future with confidence, knowing that the world will always have a place for your creativity, expertise, and humanity. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the possibilities of the future. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow dreamers and doers.